If I tell you that in 2025 you can create unlimited Gmail accounts without using any phone number, would you believe it? Well, today I'm going to show you the exact method that actually works. No risky tricks, no fake apps, no number generators, just a clean, simple, and 100% working method that anyone can follow right now. So let's jump straight in. First of all, open any browser. Which browser do you use? Chrome, Edge, or Firefox? Tell me in the comments. After opening the browser, go to your profile. Once you're in your profile, tap on Switch Account. Now friends, from here select Add another account. Google will ask you for a PIN or password, so enter it. Then select the Create Account option. From these important options, choose For My Personal Use. Now Google is giving you permission to create a new Google account. From here, enter your first name and last name. Your account is not fully created yet, so tap on Next. Now add your basic information like your birthday, month, year, and gender. So friends, your Gmail account is still not fully created yet, so tap on Next. Now pick one Gmail address or create your own Gmail address. The best option here is to select one from the suggestions and tap Next. Now friends, create a strong password using a mix of numbers, letters, and symbols. Then tap the Next. So friends, here you'll need to wait a little while for the account to be fully created. Now on this page, Google will show you some guidelines. You can read them if you want, otherwise just tap I agree, and your Gmail account will be created properly without any phone number. If you face any issue, please make sure to comment, because we reply to all our subscribers within 24 hours. Thank you.